Hello, this is a quick video demonstration of the Yamaha RX-V959A for sale. As you can see, it's in good cosmetic condition. I don't have a remote for it. Currently, we're on CD. Let's give that a listen. Right, left, treble, bass, volume. So that's all working. The tuner works as well. We can switch over to tuner.
TheContemporaryAustin.org.
There you go. Also, the phono input works as well, so if you want to use the turntable with this, you can. It's just a good little stereo setup if you need something to run some speakers. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Thanks for looking and have a great day.